Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be sharing with you all few products that I have been currently using that has really helped me in reducing my hair fall. So if you want to know what those products are, then please continue watching. Now hair fall can happen due to a variety of reasons, okay? Like personally for me, I did notice a lot of hair fall, especially after my pregnancy and after delivery, which is pretty common with most of us women, especially after you deliver a baby. The hormones are all over the place and you do get a lot of hair fall. But even after that, even after 1.5 years, my hair fall still was the same. So I did make a few changes in my hair care routine that has now helped me in reducing my hair fall, and touch wood, now my hair feels a lot more healthy, and it even I have started getting all these baby hairs, which means the hair growth regrowth has also improved. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys to share what all products I've been loving and absolutely enjoying using that has really helped me in reducing my hair fall. So the first product is this detangler brush by Fabmane. Now if you've seen my previous hair essentials video, you would already know that I absolutely love using Tangle Teezer to untangle my hair when it's slightly wet. But as we all know, Tangle Teezer is a very expensive product, and I'm sure a lot of you do not find it worthy enough to spend so much on a hairbrush. So I wanted to share with you guys a very affordable as well as great quality alternative to the Tangle Teezer, and that is this Fabmane detangler brush. Now this brush only retails for rupees 560, and currently Fabmane also has great discounts going on. So currently you can get this brush for only rupees 440, which is such a steal, because I have already used this product and it's such a great alternative to the Tangle Teezer in terms of the quality, in terms of the pricing. It's really great. So this is how the brush looks like. You can see it's a beautiful pink color, and these are the bristles. So even when you see the bristles are very flexible, so it's not going to tug or pull your hair when you are brushing it. So I personally like using this brush when my hair is like slightly damp, not like dripping wet, but when it's like slightly like 60-70% air dried. I like using this brush during that time to detangle my hair, and it just very effortlessly detangles my hair with less breakage. So earlier when I used to brush my hair with a normal comb or even a white tooth comb, I used to get a lot of hair fall. But this detangling brush is really great because it really helps to because the bristles are very flexible, so it's not going to like tug or pull your hair even when it's like slightly wet. So it very gently detangles your hair with very less breakage, and also since it's like very compact in size, you can easily put it inside your purse and travel with it. So it can be used even while you travel to just brush out your hair. So I feel this is a really great product to buy, especially if you are someone also who likes to detangle your hair when it's wet. Instead of the normal brushes, I would suggest please do buy this, or please do invest in this detangler brush, so that it would help reduce the hair fall as well. So yeah, this is the first product that I've been absolutely loving and enjoy using, which has really helped me in reducing my hair fall. So like I mentioned, this is definitely a dupe of the Tangle Teezer in terms of the quality and the price. It's very affordable. So if you do not want to invest in the Tangle Teezer, I would highly recommend you give this product a try. Also guys, Fabmane is going to have a giveaway very soon on their Instagram page, so please make sure to follow them on their Instagram page if you would like to win this detangler brush in their giveaway. So I am going to be mentioning their Instagram page in the description box below, so please make sure you do follow them on Instagram. The next product that I've been absolutely loving is using these silk scrunchies, like you can see, for tying my hair. Now like most of us, even I used to use those regular normal scrunchies to tie up my hair like in a bun, even when I'm during the day or while I go to sleep, and that again was leading to a lot of hair breakage, because once I used to open my hair scrunchie, I used to see a lot of hair in the scrunchie itself. But ever since I've started using this silk scrunchie for tying up my hair, whether it's just like basic tying or even tying up in a bun, I have noticed such great reduction in my hair fall. My hair no longer breaks just after I remove the scrunchie. There's hardly, probably just 1 or 2 hair maybe in my scrunchie, but earlier it used to be quite a lot. So I have again noticed quite a lot of improvement in my hair fall. So these scrunchies I got from Amazon. So these were a pack of 10. Okay, so they do have a lot of colors, like you can see there are 10 different colors, and this entire 10 ka set would cost you 399, which I feel is pretty affordable considering the quality, because these satin silk scrunchies are of a very great quality, and I've been using this since quite a lot of time, and it has not, like, the elastic has not loosened up or anything. So I think instead of your normal scrunchies, do try using these kind of satin silk scrunchies for tying up your hair, because it is like satin silk, so it's not again going to tug or pull your hair, and it's very gentle on your hair. So I would highly recommend, do try out these scrunchies. Also, it looks very pretty, when you tie up your hair with this scrunchie, it looks very cute and very girly and feminine. So I would highly recommend, do try out this silk scrunchie. The third product is a hair oil. So again, hair oiling is, guys, very important. Please do not skip oiling your hair, especially just before you are going to wash your hair. Make sure you do oil your hair at least overnight. So earlier I was using my normal coconut oil to oil my hair, but since over a month I have been using this Shisha Ayurveda Neeli Bringadi oil. Now this is my second bottle. I've already used up 1 bottle because me and my mom really love using this oil, but basically this oil is really great, and it's a great very nice potent oil which helps to not only reduce your hair fall, but it also helps to prevent premature graying, as well as if you have any dandruff issues. Luckily I do not have any dandruff issues, but if you have any dandruff issues, that also gets reduced after using this oil. Also, guys, I've noticed a lot of baby hair coming after I've started using this oil. So yeah, I have definitely noticed hair regrowth also after I've started using this oil. Now this oil is a very potent oil made out of a lot of herbs, and especially if you are from South India, you might already be knowing about this. Especially if you are from Kerala, the Neeli Bringadi, like you might already know, is such a widely used product since centuries for hair. So yeah, this is an amazing oil, guys. This was only for rupees 550, and it's totally worth the buy. And yeah, I would like to say one thing, that this oil does have a very strong fragrance, so you might want to only use this overnight, okay? And even if you are using it during the day, you can just use it for say 1 or 2 hours before you're washing your hair, because it does have a very strong fragrance. So if you are not comfortable with that fragrance, it could kind of be a little annoying, but yeah, it's an amazing oil. Otherwise, it has worked really well for my hair, and I have also noticed my hair regrowing, like baby hairs growing. So ever since I've started using this, so I would highly recommend, please do give this oil a try. It's a really amazing product. And the last product that has really helped me is again using this shampoo massager brush. So my scalp gets very oily and greasy pretty soon, so I have to really nicely rinse my scalp well, and for that this shampoo massager has really been helping me, because if you go to see, the bristles are silicone and it's so soft, okay? So it's very gentle on your scalp, and even when you're massaging your scalp with this, when you shampoo your hair, it just totally gets rid of all the dirt and the gunk and grime in your scalp. Especially this is a scalp massager, okay? So it works really great to thoroughly clean your scalp, and if you have a clean scalp, then automatically it would result in lesser hair breakage, because you're going to get rid of all the dirt and grime and oil in your hair very effectively. So again, I think after I've started using this, it has really helped me. All these four products, I think together have been working really well for reducing my hair fall. So again, this is the last product that I would highly recommend you do give it a try, because it's really amazing when you are massaging your hair while you shampoo. Totally gets rid of all the buildup, and like you can see, it's very convenient. You just have to slide your fingers in this and massage your scalp using this. So yeah, those were all the 4 products that has really helped me in reducing my hair fall, and touch wood, now my hair has been doing great. I mean, the hair fall also has reduced to a great extent. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you soon, very soon, in my next video. Until then, bye bye.